Hey there, my name is John Stevenson. Welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today we're going to be talking about how to use annuities to supplement your Social Security income. So if you are wanting to retire as early as possible and take Social Security at 62, or maybe 63 or 65, or maybe you want to wait till full retirement age at 67 if that's the age for you, or even wait till 70 because we get that higher 24% increase if we wait those 3 years, then let's take a look at what the numbers would look like for you. Now, the nice thing with annuities is you can purchase them for lifetime income, but they're flexible, okay? Meaning if you decide to take income at 62, but then you change your mind, you're like, actually, I'm going to wait. I decided I don't want to take Social Security at 62, or maybe I do, but I still don't need income from this annuity later. Right now I want it later. You can do that. Okay. So they're very flexible. And for this example, we're going to look at the income rider because they're the most flexible options and usually they pay out the highest. And if you want to look for yourself to see what annuities are paying, go to my website, johnstevenson.com. Play with my calculators. You'll see the highest payouts right there. I would start with the income rider because that pays out the most. And then if you want to book a call with me, there's a link on my website as well. All right, so let's dive in. So this is based off of someone who lives in Ohio. They've got $500,000. They are 58 and 57. They're married and they want to take income at 62. They're like, I want to take Social Security as early as possible. I'm going to take it at 62. My spouse is 61 and they'll take it a year later. Okay. And so great. So we want to supplement it. So maybe your Social Security income, well, you're taking it, it's reduced. So maybe it's $30,000 or maybe it's even less than that, just depending on what your income is. So let's say it's $30,000. You're like, man, I really want some more income. I've got $900,000. I want to take a portion of my funds, not all of it, but a portion of it, and lock in a lot of guaranteed income for myself to supplement this Social Security payment that I'm going to get. Okay. Well, if we took $500,000, okay, and your number may be different, more or less, doesn't matter. Just plug it into my annuity calculators and you can see for yourself. So if we look at this, age 62, so we defer this for 4 years. Okay, $500,000 is going to give us a joint payout of $44,815. So you've effectively bought yourself another pension. Okay, so now you've got 30 grand plus the 44, or pretty much 45. So looking at that, that's pretty decent income, and we're looking at $75,000 per year in guaranteed income, never to run out. So if we look at that, that is, when we illustrate that out, you can see the income here. Let's see, if you take it till 95, it's like $1.5 million. Pretty good. If you live longer or your spouse lives longer, you continue to get that payout because it's a lifetime payout. You can see the contract value here runs out by the time you're 78, 79. And again, if you die before using it up, there is a death benefit, which is your account value. Okay, so you're just leveraging your money for a high pension payout, protecting against market risk, and of course, that is what you use to supplement your Social Security income. Now, you might decide, well, you know what? I want to be able to take income at 62, but I might wait. Okay, and I want to be able to take more income if I wait even a year longer. Okay, what if I wait just 1 year? Not bad, $49,000. Okay, what if I wait till 65? So I wait 3 years. What does that look like? $58,000. See, same money. You didn't change the premium. You just decided to defer it longer. Let's say you waited till age 67. You're thinking, you know what? I was going to take it earlier, but now I'm going to wait till my full retirement age. Well, now it's paying $70,000 a year, guaranteed for the rest of your life. Wow. That's phenomenal. And that's still, you'll notice ClearSpring has been on top for all of these. That's not the case all the time. It just depends on the state. But a lot of times when you have one company that is the highest during that period, it makes it very easy to put the money with them because you know that you have this flexibility and you know they still are beating everyone else on highest payouts. So otherwise, you can always spread it out. Maybe you want to spread it out between a few contracts and take income from each of these at different times. Maybe you want to take a portion of the income at 62 and then 65 and then 67. You can do that. You just divide up your contracts. So between the different carriers, and then you can just activate income whenever you want on either of them. All right, so if we move this to 70, we're going to wait till age 70. We're going to get the most Social Security that we can. So now instead of getting 30 grand, we're getting like 58,000. Okay, so $58,000 in lifetime income from a Social Security income pension. Okay, and then we also have this annuity that we did fund, and we funded it with $500,000 when we were 58, and we decided just to wait all the way to 70. Well, there you go. Clear Spring is still on top. So $91,000 per year. In addition to whatever your Social Security now is, at this point, I mean, we're looking at what, $150,000 in income roughly from Social Security and from this annuity contract. And during this time, during the next 12 years that you're still working, you're still putting money away. Okay, you're still stocking up. You're still growing that. And so what people do is they'll stock and they'll grow, and then maybe they'll invest into stocks because they feel more comfortable because they got these guarantees set aside. And then 10, 12 years from now, you might purchase another annuity contract, add another $50,000 to your income. And you only took a portion of your assets to do that, and you can just keep doing that every 10 years. That's what people do to give themselves raises and to beat inflation. And it's a great way to still continue to grow your wealth in the stock market if that's what you choose to do, and be able to also strip off some of that interest to create more income down the road. Anyways, this is a great strategy if you're looking to supplement your Social Security income. Okay, it's all about thinking ahead. And as you can see, when you put money into these contracts early and you let them grow, then you get more income. Sometimes that's just not possible, and that's okay too. You can still lock in a decent amount of income for yourself if you're taking immediate payouts or even deferring it out for a year. So there are annuity contracts that are best for immediate or just deferred for 1 or 2 years. So we can look at that. If you're interested in purchasing an annuity and you're just wondering what that would be for you, I would recommend first go to my website, look at the income rider calculator, and that'll show you the highest payout. If you're looking for SPIA and DIA options, those are there as well, and they'll give you like certain periods, and those are good for just different circumstances. But if you're looking for highest lifetime income, annual income, the income rider is the way to go, and it gives you the flexibility, because with DIA and SPIAs, you have to elect the date that you take income right when you submit, but with income riders, you don't. So it's very, very flexible. So again, if you want to check that out, go ahead. And if you want to book a call, there is a link below this video. There is a link on my website as well to book a call, and I'd be happy to help you. I'd love to help you if you're looking to purchase an annuity. So I'm not going to try to hard sell you, but if you are looking to purchase, I'd love to show you everything that's available and be able to answer your questions. And then if it feels right to you, then I can help you with that. So again, if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below. I'll answer, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say or any questions that you might have. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.